Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the LSAT. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes logical reasoning, reading comprehension, and analytical reasoning. Next, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week. Finally, integrate official LSAT practice tests into your routine to accurately gauge your progress and identify areas needing improvement. This foundational approach will set you up for success. For logical reasoning, focus on identifying argument structures and common fallacies. With reading comprehension, practice active reading by summarizing passages and predicting questions. For analytical reasoning, or logic games, repeatedly work through various game types to recognize patterns and develop efficient diagramming strategies. Consistent, targeted practice in each section is key to improving your score. Don't just mark wrong answers, deeply analyze why they were incorrect and how to avoid similar errors. Practice under timed conditions, mimicking the actual test environment, including breaks. Collaborating with a study group can offer fresh perspectives on challenging questions and help solidify your understanding. These habits will significantly enhance your learning process. As the exam approaches, prioritize adequate sleep and healthy meals to ensure you're at your best. Trust the hard work you've put in and approach test day with a calm, confident mindset. Remember, a positive attitude can make a real difference. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.